Alright guys, this is part of your still standard of 4.1a. So I'm looking at, what do you believe? Can you tell me what you believe? Because you picked a topic that you either love or you hate. Okay, remember, no meh topics here. And you are deciding, hey, I like something, I love something, I dislike it, or I intensely loathe it. I hate it. Okay, so now you have to put that in some form of a statement. Okay, meaning you have to tell me an I statement. I this, I that, I feel, I. And when you're doing this page, it's not difficult, but you have to start with a transition phrase. And if you look here, I've given you these phrases already in the orange. It says opinion starters. So you need to start your belief statement with one of these, okay? You could say, I believe, in my opinion, I think, others think, many believe, or it can be proven. You can use any one of those. Just pick one. Pick the one that you feel will tell me what you believe about your topic, as you notice here in this kind of aqua or teal or aqua teal color. It says, it already filled in from your brainstorm, your topic, ice cream is the best. It filled it in for you, so you don't have to fill it in. But now you have to go in and say, I believe something, or I think something. Many people believe. So pick one of these, only one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gave you about 6 to pick from. You can pick from one. And I'm going to pick here, I believe. Capitalize I, because it's a proper pronoun. I believe. So I picked I believe. And look at that. It changed it. It made it a complete sentence. I believe ice cream is the best. Okay? Done! That's all you need to do. You need to pick one of these. If you go up here and say, I decide I don't like I believe, you could say, well, and it takes it away. Many people think ice cream is the best. You could change it. Okay? In my opinion, ice cream is the best. Okay? Choose one. And once you've chosen it, typed it in, you're done. If you have any questions on how difficult that was, let me know. Hopefully it's not difficult. You're just typing in the dark green square. You're picking one of these, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one, picking one of those, and typing it right here in the green. Please don't mess with anything else on this page. Please, please, please. I beg you. Get that done, and we can move on, and we are chugging away. We are now going to move on to step 4. Okay? We're moving quickly. I love this type of writing. All right. Well, I'll see you just in a few minutes. I'll be walking around, checking in with you. Let me know if you need anything. See you soon. Want to see those belief statements.